Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eva here and today I'm showing you how I created this purple nail set with hearts and stars, and spoiler alert, the toothpick is being used. So this is one of my nail tips, a very nice almond shape, and this is my gel polish, a super nice lavender shade, and I got it from Economic Nails. So I'm just applying a thin even coat on the nail plate, and with one coat it's already enough because it levels out very nicely. Pop that into my lamp for 60 seconds. And then I get my mixing palette ready, and these are some of the gel polish shades. Some purples, pink, a milky white and a winter glitter polish. And I'm placing them all on my nail plate together. This is the winter glitter polish from Rosalind. Then I apply a layer of top coat and I leave that uncured, and then I'm coming in with a rosewood stick, and in a zigzag line I mix all the colors on my mixing plate together. And then with a nail art brush I'm picking the colors up and I'm looking for my entryway. And with all the colors on my brush, I just drag it over the nail plate, and the colors start to disperse in the wet top coat. And to me, it nearly looks like I was using a nail ink color, because all the shades are so similar to the background tone. Here's a little close-up. And once I'm happy where the glitter pieces from the glitter polish are, I pop the nail into my lamp again for 60 seconds. And this is the nail plate cured. And now I just pick up my toothpick, and this is my white gel paint, and I just come in with it and apply 2 little dots. Dot, dot. And now I connect them and drag them into a pointy shape. And there we go, first little heart done. So, as you can see guys, it doesn't always have to be the super expensive nail art brush. A toothpick and a little bit of gel paint is good enough. So I'm creating all the little white hearts over the nail plate, and then I'm coming in and creating some dots, because dots make everything better. On some of the other nails I drew bigger hearts and I created some stars, so it nearly looks like a galaxy Valentine's nail. But yeah, basically this is everything I did, and I hope you like the end result I'm going to show you. Like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next one.